Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the laptop down and disconnecting all power. This prevents shorts and preserves data. Once unplugged, remove the battery if accessible so there's no stored power. Ground yourself to avoid static damage. A wrist strap or touching a metal surface works. Now locate and remove the bottom screws holding the keyboard or palm rest. Keep screws organized by size. Once those screws are out, use a plastic pry tool to separate the keyboard bezel. Do this gently to avoid breaking plastic clips. After prying the bezel, lift the keyboard at its top edge just enough to see the ribbon connector. Don't yank. Most laptops use a zero insertion force latch. Flip or slide that latch to release the ribbon. Make sure you note ribbon orientation and any adhesive strips so reinstallation is exact. Unscrew any keyboard-specific screws and free any hidden plastic clips. Once released, lift the keyboard away from the chassis slowly, watching for additional cables for backlight or fingerprint modules, and detach those before fully removing the old unit. Place the replacement keyboard into position and align mounting tabs so it sits flush. Reinsert the ribbon cable into the ZIF connector and close the latch. Ensure it's straight and fully seated because a skewed cable causes partial failure. Reinstall keyboard screws and snap the bezel back into place, then reinstall the battery and plug in power. Power on and test every key. If some keys don't respond, power down and reseat the ribbon. Check BIOS keyboard settings and update drivers. If still bad, try an external USB keyboard to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.